Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make canned beets. This is very traditional from where I come from in Poland. It's called ćwikła, and we used to do this every year before winter time because winters in Poland were very rough, so you kind of made what you could ahead of time. And this was always made for us every single year, so I wanted to share it with you because we still make it. Towards the end of summer, my mom and I get together and we make jars and jars and jars of this, and we love it. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. I mean, these can stay in a dark, cool place for a really long time, so you can make a ton ahead of time, and they're absolutely delicious. So if you like the video, if you like the recipe, give us a big thumbs up, and as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Enjoy the video. Bye.